to teach you Python on IDLE. The first rule of programming with variables in Python is that they cannot start with a number. First, let's get into a new file, and for example, you can write like 100 days of code equals 100 days. Actually, let's just write 100 equals 100 plus 100 days. Now, if you write print and then 100 days of code, so then another bracket and write print correctly, please, and now run your code. It will show a syntax error because first save it and then it will show this syntax error because the computer gets confused because it starts with a number and knows that it's like a number and thinks that the rest of the code is also a number, but then when it starts seeing words, it finds out that you want to make a variable and it gets confused. This is why you can just write like 100 like this, and then it should work because it won't get confused. It will directly find out that you're making a variable, and variables should always have like the same styling. Like I usually do every word starts with capital letter. You can also do after every word underscore or like every the first letter big, the next two letters small, but also variables should have the same styling in whatever way that you want, and the names of the variables should always have a name that makes sense. Like 10 different objects, you actually have different objects, and not something like the weathers. So the variable should have a meaning and it should be as descriptive as you can do. So those are a few of the main points about using variables. So, and it's also useful to like shorten words that are long so that you can do it fast. Like you can put favorite as fav and number as num, and like make bigger words like smaller so that you don't have to write so much. And that is about all that I'm going to teach in this video. So bye.